Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to copy your profile link, that is your agency profile link in Upwork. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, to log in right now. It's quite easy. Right now, we just want to copy our agency account link. It's quite easy. To do that, what you need to do is initially go to your agency account. If you have not done it, switch it right now. Once you've done it, let's go to our profile. At the top right, you will see a Find Work button right here. That's like a drop-down button. Simply hover over it, and something like this will open up right from there. Well, there's Find Jobs, Save Jobs and everything, but we're only focused on Agency Profile. Just click on the button right here, and your agency profile page will open up. Well, right here, you can easily see a button like this that says Copy Profile Link. Simply click on the button right here, and your profile link will be copied to your clipboard. Now you can share your agency profile to any of your friends or your clients. It's quite easy. Well guys, that's about it. That's the gist of the video. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.